So you're thinking about becoming a teacher, or maybe you've already started studying for the Praxis and you're wondering, does my real-world experience actually help me on this test? The short answer, absolutely. In fact, your past career experience might be one of your biggest advantages, not just for passing the Praxis, but for landing a great teaching job afterward. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, a college professor and test prep expert. And welcome to the Pass Your Praxis channel. Many future teachers, especially career changers, don't realize how much they already bring to the table. Whether you've worked in business, healthcare, IT, or the military, you've likely been using skills the Praxis tests every day. In this video, I'll show you how your real-world experience can give you an edge on the exam and in the classroom. Let's start with a mindset shift. Many people preparing for the Praxis think of themselves as starting from scratch. They imagine the test as a wall, separating them from a brand new career. But the truth is, the Praxis isn't asking you to forget your past experience. It's asking you to apply it in a new way. The Praxis exams, whether they're the core, the subject assessments, or the principles of learning and teaching, also known as the PLT, measure your ability to reason, solve problems, and communicate clearly. Sound familiar? That's because these are the same skills you've probably developed in your professional life already. If you've ever managed people, explained a concept to a team, or trained someone on a process, you've already been demonstrating teaching strategies. You're used to breaking down complex ideas, staying patient, and finding different ways to help people understand something. Those are the exact same skills Praxis test makers are looking for, especially in the PLT and constructed response sections. So before you start thinking about what you don't know, take a minute to recognize what you do. You're not starting at zero. You're building on experience that already translates beautifully into teaching. Let's talk about how your experience actually helps when you take the Praxis. If you've written reports, analyzed data, or worked with clients, you already have a leg up on the reading and writing sections. You know how to break down information, find key ideas, and write clear, organized arguments. Exactly what those tests look for. If your background's more technical, that problem-solving mindset pays off in math. Balancing budgets, working with stats, or troubleshooting systems all build the kind of reasoning skills the Praxis measures. For anyone with leadership or training experience, the Principles of Learning and Teaching exam is your time to shine. It's not about memorizing theories. It's about applying what you already do, guiding others, adapting your communication, and solving real challenges. And if you worked in fields like healthcare, IT, business, or engineering, your subject knowledge gives you an edge on the Praxis subject assessments. You're not starting from scratch. You're just learning how to teach what you already know. Bottom line, your professional experience doesn't just make you qualified. It makes the Praxis feel more familiar because you've already been using these skills in real life. One of the best things about moving into teaching is realizing how much of what you already do in your career transfers to the classroom. If you've worked in customer service or management, you're already skilled at patience, empathy, and juggling multiple tasks. Handling tough personalities, resolving conflicts, and keeping things running smoothly? That's classroom management in action. In healthcare, you know how to break down complex info clearly, stay calm under pressure, and show compassion. All traits that make you a relatable and effective teacher. If you're from IT or engineering, problem solving comes naturally. You get how one change affects the whole system, which is exactly how lesson planning works. And your tech know-how is a huge bonus in today's classrooms. Even in sales or marketing, you've learned how to communicate, capture attention, and motivate others. The same skills teachers use to engage students every day. The point is, your professional experience has already been training you for this. You've been building classroom-ready skills without even realizing it. Now that you know your background gives you an advantage, the next step is to use it strategically while preparing for the test. When you study for the Praxis, don't approach it like an academic exercise. Approach it like a professional project. If you've managed deadlines, create a study plan the same way you'd plan a work project. Break it into clear tasks and milestones. If you're used to learning new systems, treat the Praxis study materials like a new software you're mastering. Explore, test, and apply. When you practice constructed response questions, think about how you've written professional emails, proposals, or reports. You already know how to organize your thoughts and support them with evidence. Use those same habits here. And when it comes to the scenario questions, especially on the PLT, draw from real moments in your career. Maybe you once had to calm down a frustrated customer or help a teammate learn a new skill. That's classroom psychology in action. The Praxis is asking for the same reasoning. How do you motivate, adapt, and guide others to success? The best Praxis test takers aren't necessarily those who memorize the most terms. They're the ones who can connect their real-life experiences to the teaching mindset. Once you've passed the Praxis, your professional background becomes your secret weapon in the job hunt. When you walk into an interview, you're not just another new teacher. You're a teacher with industry credibility. Use your background to tell a story about why you're switching careers and how your experience benefits students. For example, if you've worked in business, explain how you'll teach financial literacy or teamwork. If you've worked in tech, share how you'll bring digital literacy and real-world problem solving into your lessons. Schools are always looking for teachers who can connect education to life beyond graduation. Your experience helps you do that better than anyone else. And once you've got that Praxis certification in hand, you can prove you've got both the content knowledge and the practical wisdom to back it up. The combination of professional experience and Praxis success makes you incredibly marketable, not just as a teacher, but as a mentor, leader, and role model. If you're feeling nervous about taking the Praxis, remember this. You've been preparing for this your whole career. Every project, problem, and challenge has trained you to think critically, stay organized, and communicate clearly. Exactly what great teachers do every day. Your experience isn't just your past, it's your foundation. Combine it with smart Praxis prep, and you're not just passing a test, you're proving you're ready for a teaching career that values everything you've learned. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which industry are you thinking about moving into teaching from? Thanks for watching, and good luck on your Praxis journey. You can do this.